This video will demonstrate how to assemble and mount a non-sealed aluminum battery box. To mount and assemble this battery box, you will need vice grip, adjustable wrench or socket wrench, drill, and a 7/16 inch drill bit. Your kit will include battery box base, outer shell and cover, 2 threaded rods, 4 hex nuts, 6 washers, 2 locking hex nuts, 1 hold down bracket, 2 thumb screws, and 2 rubber grommets. Locate a desirable mounting spot for the battery box on a sturdy mounting surface. Be sure you have enough clearance under the mounting surface to access threaded rods and to stay clear of obstructions. Drill holes into the mounting surface through the holes of the battery box base. Use a 7/16 inch drill bit. Next, thread the hex nut onto the rod followed by the washer. Be sure you thread it high enough, around 2 inches, to allow threaded rod to clear the base and the mounting surface. Slip threaded rods through the holes. Attach washer and locking hex nut to the end of each threaded rod and tighten using a vice grip and socket wrench. Finish tightening the rods from the top of the base. Next, place battery on top of battery box base. Be sure battery terminals are in position for the desired cable path. Insert hold down bracket through the threaded rods and on top of the battery. Attach washer and thread hex nut onto the rod and tighten. Repeat for the other rod. Position the outer shell of the battery box around the battery and over the base. Be sure the holes accommodate the desired cable paths. Next, decide which holes will be used for the cable and attach rubber grommets. Connect the cables, making sure the positive cable is attached to the positive terminal and the negative cable is attached to the negative terminal. Place the cover on the box. Place thumb screws on threaded rods and tighten. That's it! If done correctly, mounting and assembly of a Strongbox non-sealed aluminum battery box is easy and quick. For more videos on the Strongbox battery box line, visit quickhowto.com.